English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Neil. Nice coat you were wearing this morning, by the way.
Oh, thanks. In this program, we have an expression which describes a certain kind of shopper who likes to return items they've bought and get their money back.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing if there's a problem with the items. But shops, particularly online retailers, say they're losing lots of money because people are regularly returning items, possibly even after they've used them. They're called serial returners.
And this isn't about breakfast cornflakes, is it?
No, Neil. The serial in this expression means repeat. You might have heard the expression a TV serial. It means there are many episodes.
And that was a nice new coat you had on yesterday, by the way, Feifei.
Oh, thanks.
Very different from the one you were wearing the day before that. And the day before that.
What are you suggesting, Neil?
Oh, nothing. Shall we hear some examples of our expression, serial returner?
Oh no, this customer has sent back an order for the 5th time this month. If we don't block these serial returners, we're going to go out of business.
I buy about £400 worth of clothes every month.
No way, you must be rich.
Not really. I return about £300 worth. I'm one of those serial returners. And in business news, online clothes shops are introducing new measures to make it harder for so-called serial returners to get refunds on their orders.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. In this program, we're looking at the expression serial returner. It's used to talk about people who return lots of items they've bought, usually online.
So, as I was saying, you've had a nice new coat on every day for the last, month. Did you win the lottery?
No, there's a perfectly innocent explanation.
Yes, you're a serial returner, aren't you?
Absolutely not. I just knew we were going to make this program on the expression serial returner and thought I needed to do a little research.
Ha! It's very important to do proper research, I agree.
Bye.
Now, which one's your favourite?
The pea green one with the furry collars.
Are you going to keep it?
Nah, too expensive.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.